People usually think having a good camera is enough to create professional quality videos, but relying on just the camera itself might only be 50% of the equation. The other 50% comes from having the right rig setup to unlock its full potential. Luckily, if you set up your BMPCC 6K Pro with the right gear, you can transform it into a filmmaking powerhouse that delivers stunning, professional-grade content. Hey there, filmmakers and content creators. Ever feel like your gear just isn't delivering that professional punch? What if I told you that the right rig setup could transform your BMPCC 6K Pro into a high-performance video production machine? Stay tuned because we're about to unlock the full potential of this incredible camera. In today's digital age, having a professional rig setup is crucial for achieving high-quality results in your shoots. The BMPCC 6K Pro is a powerhouse of a camera known for its stunning image quality and versatility. But to truly elevate your video production, you need the right rig setup. Without the right setup, you might find yourself struggling with stability, power issues, and subpar audio quality. These challenges can hinder your ability to capture those perfect shots and deliver professional-grade content. So let's dive into the essential components and accessories that can enhance your shooting experience and take your videos to the next level. First things first, understanding what the BMPCC 6K Pro has is key. This camera boasts a 6K resolution, which means it captures 6 times the resolution of Full HD. This results in incredibly detailed and sharp footage, ensuring your videos stand out with exceptional quality. Plus, with an impressive dynamic range, you can capture rich, cinematic-looking images with beautiful highlights and shadows, even in challenging lighting conditions. The BMPCC 6K Pro's compact size and lightweight design make it perfect for shooting on location or in tight spaces. Its advanced features, such as built-in ND filters and dual native ISO, give you greater flexibility and control over your shots. For example, the built-in ND filters help manage exposure in bright outdoor settings, while the dual native ISO ensures clean, noise-free images in low-light conditions. ISO refers to the camera's sensitivity to light. Noise-free images are those that have no digital noise or random variation of brightness that can degrade the quality of images, making them look less sharp and detailed. Let's start with the backbone of any good rig setup, the camera cage. A sturdy camera cage not only offers multiple mounting points for accessories like monitors, microphones, and lights, but also provides an extra layer of protection for your BMPCC 6K Pro. This ensures your camera stays safe and secure during shoots. But wait, there's more to consider. Ever struggled with keeping your focus sharp during critical shots? The solution might be simpler than you think. A high-quality follow focus system is another crucial component. A follow focus system is a tool that helps with precise and smooth adjustment of your lens's focus. It typically includes a focus wheel that you turn to adjust the focus and gear rings that attach to your lens's focus ring. For example, in a scene where an actor moves towards the camera, the focus puller uses the follow focus system to keep the actor's face in sharp focus throughout the movement, ensuring the shot remains clear and professional. Given the BMPCC 6K Pro's ability to capture stunning details, a reliable follow focus system is essential for achieving professional-looking footage. Power is another critical aspect. The BMPCC 6K Pro uses NPF 570 batteries for extended runtime. But for longer shoots, consider investing in high-capacity batteries or a power bank. This way, you can focus on capturing the perfect shot without worrying about running out of battery. Next up, audio. While the built-in microphones on the BMPCC 6K Pro are decent, using external microphones can significantly improve your audio quality. Shotgun mics or lavalier mics offer better sensitivity and directional pickup, capturing clear and crisp audio even in noisy environments. Proper microphone placement is key. Whether you're using a shotgun mic mounted on the camera or a lavalier mic clipped to your clothing, placing your microphone correctly minimizes background noise and captures clear, focused sound. Using an external audio recorder can also enhance your audio flexibility. It allows you to capture audio separately from your camera, giving you more control over levels and settings. This ensures you capture clean and balanced sound for your videos. Ever wished you could capture smooth cinematic shots on the move? We've got just the trick to transform your footage. Let's talk about mobility and stability. Using a reliable gimbal or stabilizer helps to reduce unwanted vibrations and movements, allowing you to capture smooth and steady shots even while moving. This is essential for achieving professional-looking camera movements. Lightweight yet durable support systems like carbon fiber tripods or monopods provide the stability you need while keeping your setup portable. This allows you to move quickly between shots and locations without sacrificing stability or quality. External monitors are another game changer. They help you frame your shots more accurately, monitor your footage in real time, and adjust settings on the fly. Features like focus peaking and waveform monitoring on external monitors ensure your shots are well composed and properly exposed. Lastly, the BMPCC 6K Pro's modular design and multiple mounting points make it easy to customize your rig with accessories like cages, handles, and monitors. This allows you to create a setup that suits your shooting style and preferences. Let's delve a bit deeper into some additional smart details. For instance, the BMPCC 6K Pro supports anamorphic lenses. Anamorphic lenses let you achieve those stunning widescreen shots with beautiful lens flares and unique bokeh that are hallmarks of high-end cinema. The camera also offers a range of frame rate options, including 120 frames per second at 2.8K for slow-motion shots. This allows for dramatic, high-quality slow-motion footage that can add a lot of production value to your projects. Connectivity is another strong suit of the BMPCC 6K Pro. It offers a full-size HDMI port, 2 mini XLR inputs, a USB-C expansion port, and a 3.5mm headphone jack. This extensive connectivity allows you to attach multiple accessories, from external monitors to audio devices, enhancing your shooting experience. Customizable function buttons on the BMPCC 6K Pro are another brilliant feature. You can assign these buttons to different settings and features, giving you quick access to essential controls during a shoot, which can significantly speed up your workflow. By incorporating these essential components into your BMPCC 6K Pro rig setup, you can create a professional and versatile setup that enhances your shooting capabilities and helps you achieve outstanding results in your videos. Building a professional rig setup for your BMPCC 6K Pro is essential for maximizing its full potential. From camera cages and follow focus systems to external monitors and audio solutions, each component plays a crucial role in enhancing your shooting experience. Investing in a sturdy camera cage, a high-quality follow focus system, and a reliable power solution will help you create a versatile rig setup that meets your specific shooting needs. Optimizing audio capture with external microphones, proper placement, and audio recorders will significantly improve the overall sound quality of your videos. Enhancing mobility and stability with gimbals, tripods, and external monitors ensures you can capture smooth and steady footage with ease. By incorporating these strategies into your BMPCC 6K Pro rig setup, you can elevate the quality of your videos and create a more immersive viewing experience for your audience. We encourage you to take action and explore further rig setup tips and tricks on our channel to continue learning and improving your filmmaking skills. Whether you're a seasoned filmmaker or just starting out, there's always room to grow and expand your knowledge in the world of rig setups and professional shoots. Thank you for watching, and check out the affiliate links for a BMPCC 6K Pro and complete rig setup in the description below. Keep creating, keep exploring, and keep pushing the boundaries of your creativity. Happy shooting!